Alrighty, next up we have a very special treat because Zach Walker gets to play a role that he wishes he could play. Like he wishes he could play every role that Patti LuPone's ever done. But here he is singing in homage to one of his favorite performers ever, Zach LuPone, singing Meadowlark from The Baker's Wife.
When I was a girl, I had a favorite story of a meadowlark who lived where the rivers wind. Her voice could match the angels in its glory, but she was blind. The lark was blind. The king of the rivers took her to his palace, where the walls were burnished bronze and golden braid, and he fed her fruit and nuts from an ivory chalice, and he prayed, "Sing for me, my meadowlark, sing for me of the silver morning, set me free, my meadowlark, and I'll buy you a priceless jewel, applause of brocade and cruel, and we'll love you for life if you will sing for me." And one day the lark sitting by the water, the god of the sun heard her in his flight, and his singing moved him, so he came and brought her the gift of sight. He gave her sight, and she opened her eyes to the shimmer and the splendor of this beautiful young god, so proud and strong. And he called to the lark in a voice both rough and tender, "Come along, fly with me, meadowlark, fly with me on the silver morning, past the sea where the dolphins bark. We will dance on the coral beaches, make a feast of the plums and peaches, just as far as your vision reaches. Fly with me." The meadowlark said no. The old king loved her so. She couldn't bear to wound his pride. So the sun god flew away, and when the king came down that day, he found his meadowlark had died. Every time I heard that part, I cried. And now I stand here starry-eyed and stormy. Oh, just when I thought my heart was finally numb, a beautiful young man appears before me, singing, "Come, oh, won't you come? And what can I do if finally, for the first time, the one I'm burning for returns the glow? If love has come at last, it picks the worst time. Still I know I've got to go fly away, meadowlark, fly away on the silver morning. If I stay, I'll grow to curse the dark, so it's off where the day